At temperatures below 7 degrees Celsius, all-season and summer tires begin losing elasticity, whether you're driving on dry pavement or plowing through snow and ice. In these conditions, the rubber compound becomes stiff and less pliable. This can lead to reduced traction and compromise safety by potentially lengthening stopping distances and increasing the risk of skidding. Snowfall varies by province and region, but no matter where you live, many Canadians encounter average temperatures well below 7 degrees Celsius during the winter. That's why tire manufacturers recommend using winter tires for enhanced grip when temperatures are consistently below this threshold. When temperatures drop just below freezing, winter tires can help the vehicle stop as much as 30% shorter compared to all-season tires. They also provide enhanced traction on icy or snowy roads at temperatures as low as negative 30 degrees Celsius relative to all-season tires at 4 degrees Celsius. It's no wonder why 76% of all Canadians purchase winter tires for their vehicle.